Slade, do you know who made that blanket for you?
That's
Who?
that's me.
Cheryl Jock?
Doctor. My
Can you say Granny Jock?
doc.
Which blanket did she make?
That
Where?
one. That.
Do you love that blanket?
My rabbit.
You wub it? Oh, you covered the baby. Where's the baby? Baby, where are you?
Go. Ah, see?
Is it the baby?
Yeah, babies.
Poor baby. It's okay. It's okay.